Okay, I'm working on a Honda. So I need to remove the mirror, and to remove the mirror right there, we have just to remove 3 nuts. 1, 2, and 3, number 8. So you need to remove the speaker, the little one, and there is a small connector right here. So there's this one right here. So just push this down from here and release. And on the connector for the mirror, you need to just go like this. Just push this clip down, and just pull out. Okay. And this one goes like this. Just pull it. Okay. So when I remove this number 8, just take a turn. So in this case, you need to use like a magnet to grab this nut right here. If not, it's gonna go inside here. But you can use a magnet to remove this nut right here. So here I got my magnet. I just spin it. There you go. I'm gonna remove this right here. Okay. And this one right here. There you go. And you can grab it and play a little bit. Left, right. And also you need to push these clips down. This down to remove it from here. So push these clips down, okay? Here. Okay. So here's the mirror. So we're gonna get the other one. So it's really easy to install the other one. Just let's pretend this one is the new one, and you're gonna grab it. You're gonna stick it right here. Okay, right there. Okay, and just get the nuts and just put everything back together. It's really easy, guys. It's gonna take around if you do it like slowly, it's gonna take around 5 minutes. You just take a time around 10. But it's really easy to replace the side mirror for this Honda Accord 2012. Okay, so when you get the nut right here, do not do it really hard. Just really soft. And that's it. Alright, guys, and when you're done, just make sure it works. I use the button right there to move the mirror up, down, left, and right. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time.